Hi there everyone, welcome back again to Engineering Pritam. In this video, we will talk about lightweight variant of hole inside PTC Creo Parametric. So without further ado, let's dive in. Okay, so now here you can see we already have open PTC Creo Parametric environment and a model inside it. Now, in order to create hole, you need to click here on hole, and now you're going to select the surface where you would like to put it. Now, let me make a right click on offset reference collector. Now by pressing Ctrl, I have defined both reference here. And before I actually implement this lightweight, I would like to tell you the utilization or use case of it. Suppose that you have a very outdated hardware or hardware with limited capability. In that case, lightweight hole can actually help you to render your hole without taking too much toll to your graphic card. So if you enable it, you will see that the hole is there, but it is lightweight. So the benefit of creating this lightweight hole is that your system will run smooth, your PC will not take too much of load while rendering your model. And as I said before, it is specifically useful in case when we have hardware with limited capability. That's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If yes, then do like and subscribe to this channel to follow complete PTC Creo Parametric series. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.